Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can hack into virtual machine or MrRobot. So previously, I've shared with you how you can install vulnerable virtual machine from VulnHub onto your hypervisor. So if you have not checked out the video, I also put a link in the description below. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see here, this is the robot user interface. First, go to the IP address. This is what you see. So just a disclaimer here. I also look at the walkthrough that's available online when I was tackling this virtual machine. Usually, what I will do is that I can go look here, then see that there are different commands to actually try and see whether anything works or not. Then so maybe what I'll do first is just do a mmap scan on IP address to see what ports are open. 2.6. Take a while to scan. Okay, so these are the ports that are open. And perhaps I can also do a OS version detection to find out more details on port. Six. First thing. Okay, so I know that the server is using Apache. What else do I know? No title. Is there anything else? Okay, so SSH is closed. This is open, which is what we have seen just now. Nothing much. So what I can do is to use another tool called GoBuster, where you can search for all the directories in the website. And how it does it is that you can check based on the word list. Okay, so we have a word list. So let me go to GoBuster here first. So we go to directory, dir, and the user. So in this case, the user is the IP address. So which is 10.0.2.6 and the word list. So what we can do is dirp and use the common word list. So enter. So now you will check for the available directories on the website. But of course, if your website is not, if let's say the website directory is not inside the word list, then it will not be discovered using this tool. But usually you will be able to discover the common directories. So along the way, you will see something very interesting like this login directory and what else? Or this admin. So you can actually try out. Let's see. Okay, nothing much. Here redirect me to the index.html. So what about login? Oh, okay. So we now know that it's using WordPress and this is the login page. So probably later on, we will have to log into this page to further exploit this website. Okay, let's see, is there anything new? No? Okay, we'll just wait. Page 1, phpMyAdmin. Let's give it a try. Nope. Nothing interesting. Okay, another WordPress block. Let's see. Is there anything else? Oh, I think we have something. robots.txt. Okay, so let's check it out. So basically, robots is a file that tells the crawler what can be crawled and what cannot be crawled. Let's see if we can find it. Or robots.txt. Oh, we found something. This thing and this. Okay, those interesting. So this is the key over here. Okay, maybe we can take a look at this first. So copy. Okay, not found. How about this? Okay, cannot be found. Seems like we need to get this file, but how do we do it? You know what? Maybe we download this first. Copy. Okay, so now we can save this file. So let's save. So let's see what it contains. There's a lot of different. It looks like a word list. Maybe we can use this for brute force attack later. So next, maybe we can go back to the login page. Okay, still loading now. I mean, still searching. So maybe in the meanwhile, I will go back here. Oh, I found it. Okay, maybe I copy this. Yeah, probably this is the first key. So I found the first key. Next, maybe I will try to log into the website. So anyway, finish ready. So far, I think the most interesting one is this robots and robots.txt. Yeah. Okay, so what we can do now is go back here. Login. So maybe I put admin, no, invalid username. So it could be, so this is Mr. Robot, right? So the team, if you look at the name of the character, it's actually Elliot. So maybe we can try Elliot. Then password is also Elliot. Oh, it says that the password you enter for the username Elliot is incorrect. So Elliot is correct, but the password is not. Oh, okay. So maybe we can also use WP to pscan to brute force attack. So maybe let's look at the list again. So you see Elliot here as well. Because we're also not sure whether there's any duplicates of all these tags. So what we can do is first do a word count first. So WC. So the number of lines is this. So this is a word count on the number of lines in this file. So this is the number of lines. So next we will probably sort out based on the unique values. So we can do a sort F, enter. Okay, afterwards, maybe we do a word count again. on the number of lines for inside the new file. So as you can see, there's a massive reduction of number of lines. So it's good that we have sorted based on unique values. Next, we will brute force the password. So since we know the username is Elliot, so we can actually use the WP scan 10.0. The IP address and WP login and username. Okay, it's running now. Very good. So as you can see here, this is the name, this is the password. So let's copy and put the login. Elliot, paste. And we are in. Wonderful. So next, we can actually explore the page, the different pages. In particular, I see that there's this thing called themes. So we see if there's any way we can upload some files and then do a reverse shell, okay, to access to this machine. So 2015, see if there's anything. Can we edit this? Okay, there's editor, so we just edit. So you see different templates, 404 templates. This looks interesting, so maybe you can do this. Okay. 404 not found. Yeah, maybe we can upload a PHP exploitable code in here. So what we can do is go back here. Let's clear, and we do a. So we do let's venom.p. So PHP interpreter reverse TCP. Then the listening host is our current machine, which is 0.2.14. And listening port, I would say I want to put 4444. And so to double check. Raw. Okay, so he has created this payload. So what we need to do is to copy this and then upload to here. So we update the file. So file edited successfully. So let's go back here. Now next we need to launch the MSF console. So basically MSF console is the interface to the Metasploit framework. So Metasploit is a tool that you can launch the different payloads to create a reverse shell to the vulnerable machine. But I can do a lot more stuff as well. So next, let's do a use exploit multi-handler. Then set payload to PHP interpreter reverse TCP. Next, we set the listening host, which is our machine, 14. Then we set the listening port to 4444. Then exploit. Then you'll see here, started on the reverse TCP handler over here. So what you need to do now is to go to this website and search for to launch this file, right? So maybe we try without anything at the back. So we see what we can find. So it seems like the 44.php file is located right after the IP address. So if we launch this, this is what we will see. And then over here, we go back to our Metasploit. You can see that it has started this reverse shell connection. Okay, let's see if we can go to further up. Go to the home directory or root directory. Okay, maybe one more up. Okay, maybe home. We found the T2 or 3.txt. So let's see. Operation fail. Oh, probably we need to change to a root user. So what we need to do is okay, find the password. P5. Okay, so so this is the username. Robot. This might be the password. So this looks like password hash. Okay, never mind. Maybe you copy first, then we go to credential. So if it belongs to any of these hash, you should be able to check and crack it. Okay, so this is the answer. So let's go back here. Maybe we do oops, let's go back here. Let's do a sudo robot unknown command robot. See, run from a terminal. Okay, so maybe I have to stabilize the shell again. Let's see whether it works. Oh, I think I know. Made a mistake. Import pty dot spawn. Alamak, typo again. Yes. Okay, so now let's do a sudo root. Nope. Robot. Okay, password. Okay. So let's go to home again. So cat key Oh, we can see the permission. So it's robot, right? So must be robot, then we can view this file. So key of 3.txt. There we have it. We have our second key. All right, so let's look for our third key. So third key. So now I'm the robot user. So probably the third key is that I need to do a privilege escalation to a root user. So what I can do is to find the permission minus dash u equal s to find the file, executable file with the SUID bit. I also found a website that is explained very well on why we need to, how we can use the SUID bits to do a privilege escalation. So what is a SUID permission? It's a type permission that allows user to execute a file with the permission of a specified user. So why we need a SUID permission is because sometimes certain file can only be run by certain user, right? But the user can actually grant another user or the rest of the user to run that particular file temporarily. So that is why we have a SUID permission. So how can it help in privilege escalation? So some of the existing binaries and commands can be used by non-root user to escalate root access privilege. So with this higher elevated privilege, we can actually exploit this to become a root user. So how to find the SUID files? We can run this command. So this one is the top root of the file system, and this is the permission. This is the S. No, we need to look for S. This one is the one that has the special permission. Okay, then type dictates the type of file. So this is the just a regular file, and this is the second file descriptor. So 2 denotes the second file descriptor of the process, and this is the redirection. So we will redirect to this place, and it will throw away everything written to it. Okay, so let's go back here. Type F2. Okay, let's see whether we can find anything here. So we just want to find something that is out of place. So we can see that actually this map is quite out of place. You see the rest. So this one looks a bit out of place. Okay, so if you go to this website, you will see that there are different ways you can actually exploit the SUID bit to do a privilege escalation. So in this case, we found that this mmap has this SUID bit. So we can actually run this command to see what happens. Okay, then maybe we do a SH. So now let's see who. All right, so we have successfully become a root user. So next, what we need to do is to see if there's anything at the root directory. Okay, so we have our third key. And there we have it. That's all for my demonstration. I hope this video has been beneficial to you. So if you like this video, I appreciate you can give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video.